Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another haul with you. This is the Crate Paper Here and There collection. It is basically all travel themed and it's super cute. This time of year is so tough because all of the companies are releasing their beautiful new collections and I just want to buy everything. So yeah, it's not great on the wallet, but I just love this collection. It's going to be perfect for documenting trips this year, especially our cruise this summer, and I just think this collection is really cute and fun. So I'll show you guys what I got. The first thing is the 12 by 12 chipboard sticker sheet. I really love these to add dimension to projects. They're really fun. As you can see, there's kind of a nice rose gold copper color that they use as the metallic for this collection. And other than that, they use a lot of fun bright colors and patterns. Lots of travel elements, obviously. And I just think it's really cute. I'm excited to use these. The next thing that I have is the sticker sheet. It's double-sided. We can take it out here. See it a little bit better, but you get 83 stickers, and again they're mostly travel themed, but you have some really nice different elements here, some kind of tropical things, a few more like around the house, like these atlases and that kind of thing, some fun little old-fashioned like key chain things for hotels, and then you have some metallic word and phrase stickers here, which you can kind of see at this angle. So those are going to be super fun to use, probably in a traveler's notebook if I make one for when we go to Cuba this summer. So I'm really excited about these little stickers. I love this globe a lot. The next thing that I got is the 6x6 paper pad. I kind of wanted to get the 12 by 12 one, but they didn't have it in stock, so I just went ahead and got this 6x6. So I'll just flip through some of them. You have some keys and keychains, cute little map, kind of a fun sort of tribal or textile pattern, little mopeds, kind of a fishnet sort of yellow. I love this corally orange and pink sort of tropical leaf, I don't know, pattern. That's neat. Some arrows, some more textile prints, some little taxis, a wooden one, like a subway map, some leaves, kind of a geometric pattern, and then this one's really cute. It has little labels for different cities and countries. Another kind of map. This almost reminds me of when you're flying and you see like fields from above, which is kind of fun. More textiles. Kind of a cool, this reminds me of like a tile floor or pottery or henna almost. And then a cut apart with different postcards and envelopes, which is really cute. And yeah, that's all the papers. So I'm really excited about these. I may try to get some full-size individual sheets if I decide to make a traveler's notebook later. Now I have the 40-piece ephemera package, which I haven't opened yet. So I'll check it out. Start with the big ones. So there's Big bin. It's got a foil that's really cute. Kind of airplane windows almost, but like a film strip too. That's kind of fun. Places I want to see. That's cute. It has little holes in it like a notebook. Kind of like a little ticket, but it'd be fun to like circle or highlight, do something with the date on here. Another one of those maps. I just love it. I don't know if these are the currents. They're currents. That's what I thought. Okay, these are the currents in the ocean, which is so cool. Some little tickets, and these are actually perforated in the middle, so you could tear them apart. These are also perforated. Some little dictionary type entries. A tag, a little label card, a little Polaroid style photo, a suitcase with this really cute pattern and color on it, Statue of Liberty, explore, another word definition, trip, which has that foil again, travel bucket list, again with the punched out edges like in a notebook, some tags, another tag, and then a little postcard. That's really cute. And then for the small elements, if I can get them open, maybe. I should really open these before I start my videos, but oh well. Let's see, a little label, Travel Life, a little beach, a few of those like keychains from hotels, or at least vintage hotels, a little sign here, a frame with the foil again, Adventure Sparks the Imagination, that's really cute, another keychain, another city, I don't know, stamp or label or something, a little camera with foil, another city, an arrow, foil leaf, another country stamp, north, south, east to west, leaf, and just a few tags, and then an envelope. So those are really cute. I like that they have a good mix of large and small. I think they're really fun the way that they made those. The next thing that I got are the tassels, which I just thought were way too cute to pass up, especially if I'm using it with a traveler's notebook. I want to rig this up to hang off the edge of my traveler's notebook because these are just so fun. And I think I would definitely want to use the pink and sort of orange one for my Cuba traveler's notebook when I make it. Just really adorable. I'm excited to use these. I do wish that the teal ones had slightly more variation between the two teal colors, but I think that they're really cute and I'm excited to use them. I got the Foyer. So you can see this one here is foil, and the rest of them just kind of match the rest of the collection, but I think they're really cute, and honestly I don't have a lot of Foyer. I don't buy it very often, or it's not released, and so it's kind of fun that they had Foyer to go with this collection. And the next one is the Rubons. So they're just black and white icons and text mostly, but I think that they're really, really cute, and I'm excited to kind of put these in here and there. I think they'll look nice in the traveler's notebook too, and most of them are really small. So yeah, they should fit just about anywhere. You only get one sheet. Often you get two, but this one's only one, so note that. I also got the die cut calendar pages. I'm not completely sure what I'll do with them yet because they are made for 2018 and we won't be traveling every month, and we haven't traveled every month, so I may use these in my 2018 traveler's notebook for like my goals and those kinds of things instead of for just a travel album, but we will see. I've seen before that people just like highlight the line and that's the trip that they're talking about or whatever, which I think is really cute. So yeah, I think these are really fun, even though I don't know how I'll use them yet. Then I got the envelopes, which I just thought were really cute. You can see in this example picture that they stick them on kind of a traveler's notebook looking spread. So they are at least partially a good size for that. Oh, struggling to unwrap today. Okay. So you have this cute little airmail envelope. We have one with the tie, yellow. This is memories gathered, so that'd be really cute for like extra photos or Instax or something if they don't fit right in your spreads, because I always print too many, so that would be perfect. Explore. This is kind of a vellum envelope. And this would also be good for like 2x2s or 3x3s probably. Another vellum one with the city skyline on it. Pretty cute. A couple more like pocket envelopes. So they've got the foil again, and then this nice textile pattern. And then these large ones probably won't fit in the traveler's notebook, but I did buy a new size and they might be big enough. We'll see. So this one says tickets and receipts, and it has a little plastic window, which is kind of fun. And then this one also has a plastic window, and it looks more like a photo frame. It says travel moment. So yeah, those are really fun. You don't see stuff like this a lot with collections. I'm really excited to use these. And the last thing that I got is the washi tape set. You get 8 washi tapes. And I've tried to buy less washi tapes from collections recently, but this one I really liked all of them, which is rare. So you can see the different ones here, a couple thin, a couple bigger ones. So it's a good variety. You've got a wide sort of blue textile pattern, got sort of a average size foliage, leafy, metallic. Got some arrows on a skinny one. This one is kind of like the Maggie Holmes flourish, in that, if I can get it off here, it has different phrases here that you could cut apart. So wander and explore, here we go, adventure awaits. So those are really cute. Be fun for like captioning a picture or something. We've got kind of the teal with the palm pattern. Got the taxis. And then we have another one with words on it. And it says arrival and departure, which is really cute. And it's kind of a pink color. Yeah, so I'm super excited about all these travel things. I think oftentimes travel collections are kind of, I don't know, they're just sometimes not quite as trendy, I guess, and I just think that these are really fun, the way that they put all these colors together and the metallics and the different fun extra elements that they've added really make it lots of fun, and I can't wait to work on some travel albums this year. So let me know if you guys got anything from here or there, and what your favorite way to document your travels is. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.